Welcome to CommuteLogix, a solution designed to help businesses manage their logistics seamlessly. Let's explore. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of total loads, drivers, trucks, trailers, and customers, along with real-time income, expense, and profit insights to help you track performance at a glance. Users list: add, edit, or delete users with roles like admin, driver, customer, or accounting. Truck list: track every detail of your fleet. Manage general info, maintenance records, ownership details, dispatch settings, and key specs. Upload truck photos and monitor values, all from one place. Drivers list: your entire driver management, simplified. From licenses, contacts, medical cards, and reminders to rates, dispatch setting, insurance, documents, and personal notes, everything you need to manage your drivers efficiently. Trailers list: keep your trailers organized with complete data. Manage basic info, cost of ownership, safety checks, dispatch activity, dispatch status and its details and specifications. Upload related documents and photos for better operational clarity. Loads list: easily store customer details, cargo specs, pickup and delivery info, and assign drivers, trucks, and trailers. Trucks board: get a real-time view of your entire fleet. Loads board: monitor load statuses in one place, and never miss a delivery milestone. Settings: customize everything to fit your operations, update company info, theme, email, SMS settings, API keys, notifications, payment gateways, and invoice rules, all in one place. Profile: update your personal details such as name, email, and profile image securely. Customers list: manage all customer records including contact info, billing details, and MC numbers with ease. Expenses: track your business expenses by vendor, type, and due dates. Easily create and manage custom expense categories. Tickets: here you can access and manage support tickets seamlessly. Invoices: process payments directly from a single panel. View invoice: download or print detailed invoice PDFs, share with clients or save for records. Reports: analyze the revenue and expenses for each load, track and compare truck costs and income, view amounts spent and types of expenses, monitor outstanding payments, past due, and send mail to customers. Review your top customers by revenue or loads. Review your top performing drivers. And finally, get an annual revenue report per customer to evaluate loyalty and growth. And before we wrap up, let us show how you can use CommuteLogix in your preferred language. Do you need it in Espanol? CommuteLogix is fully available in Spanish. Just switch the language from the top navigation bar for a smooth Spanish experience. Do you need CommuteLogix in Arabic? We've got you covered. CommuteLogix supports Arabic too. Same process. You can simply change the language from the top navigation bar to start using it in Arabic. Thanks for exploring CommuteLogix, the all-in-one logistics management platform built to streamline operations, maximize fleet visibility, and drive profitability. Whether you manage loads, trucks, drivers, or customers, CommuteLogix gives you the tools to do it smarter, faster, and better. Get CommuteLogix today.